Presenting Pigeon by Stovekraft Cruise Induction Cooktop. The induction cooktop has a power consumption of 1800 watts. It has a preset timer for hands-free cooking and automatic shut-off feature, thereby consuming less power and saving more energy. This ceramic cooktop comes with high-grade electrical that protects against short circuits and superior top plate that can withstand very high temperatures, making it very durable. Featuring soft push buttons and LED display for easy selection of menus for hassle-free cooking. The Pigeon cooktop has intelligent manual temperature controls with safety in mind. The length of the cord is 1.3 meters. It comes in black color. The induction weighs 2 kilograms and the dimensions are 38 × 32 × 10 centimeters. In the box you will find one induction cooktop. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.